What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at a car meet. It's called Brecky Car Club, and it's with a coffee shop that's about cars, so it's pretty cool. It's called Motoring Coffee. So I just pulled up. My car's parked right there. There's a bunch of cars that are already pulling up, so I'm gonna go through all the cars. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's go check out some of the cars that are here. Starting off, we have this beautiful G82 Signal Green, which is paint competition. It's got the wing back there, as you can see. Got the crazy carbon diffuser. She looks crazy. This color is sick. It's got the carbon on the vents over here, as you can see. Super clean. And of course, we've got my M4 GTS. We've got a couple classics. We've got some Porsches. Got a Cobra back there. We're gonna go through all the cars that are here at this coffee shop today, guys. But yeah, this G82 is super nice. It's got the laser headlights. It's got the carbon grille up front, carbon down there.
Yeah.
It's like, super clean. Yeah. Guys, this whole thing is about to be flooded. Check this out. 2002. Super clean. There's just too many cars. Got the Lotus. Peep the 240 though. Damn, this shit is clean. Wow. On the Workmeisters. Shit's crazy, yo. Let's check out that interior real quick though. That's sick. And then as we come to this side, there's just a bunch of more cars over here. Starting off with this beautiful E46 M3. Damn, that looks clean. E93 M3. It's got some carbon up front. Not sure what color. I think this is Interlagos blue. I think it is. Got the drop top E30 on the BBSs. That shit is super nice. Another E30. Super clean. Got the Porsche. Very nice. We got the Porsche GT4 RS. This is the new version of this. Check that out. Super cool. I think these were going for like 300,000. It's insane. Got the carbon hood. Got the vents up here. We got some aerodynamics over here. Check that out. Wysock RS. Super sick. This is like the baby version of the GT3 RS. Shit's clean though. We've got a clean GT3 right here on BBSs as well. A lot of these cars are on BBSs. We have another GT4 RS. Same one as like that green one. This is like a blue color. Again, carbon hood. Got the lip up there. The vents on the fender. And I believe this is the back of the coffee shop. So you can walk in here and drink coffee and park your cool car back here. Super clean color. Like that red color. Shit's nice. And then as you enter, you can see they got some cars in here. Pretty sick. There's a dope spot. Check that out. NSX, what? Check this out. Damn. That's insane. Another GT4. Got a Porsche. E30 M3 back there. Got a Ferrari. Got some old schools. Now, when you walk, oh, we got some bikes. Oh, we can't forget the Ducati. Check that out. But yeah, so you walk in. Check this out. This is sick. Damn. You just chill here, sit here, drink coffee. Got the cars parked in here. This is dope, yo. Wow. It's like a whole vibe in here. Got the racing little simulator over there. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, this is the car meet that we're at today for this coffee shop. It's pretty sick. You can see we got some old school car. I don't even know what this is. We got the bikes. Look over here. More stuff. Check that out. They got paintings. They got merch. If you want to buy some merch. That's pretty sick. Got the Marlboro umbrella. We got shirts. Check that out. That's pretty sick. They have a bunch of stuff. Check out the RX-7. This is sick. Sheesh. Check this out, guys. It's pretty sick. It's a Lotus. Old school. Look at that. Check that out. That's pretty sick. That's a clean M2 competition. Hockenheim silver. Sheesh. Very clean. Damn. Clean ass F80. Very nice. What's up, bro? Sheesh. And we got the Tiffany color on BBS's as well. Sheesh. Got the yellow Supra with the white wheels. That's just clean. Okay, okay. I see you. See you. That shit is clean. Look at that. It's like a Nardo gray. That's fire. Oof, that's a clean GT3 RS. Oh my god. I need one. I need one so bad. Clean M4. What up, bro? Just nice. Got the wide body kit on there on the 240. S-Class on BBS's? Damn. Look at that. That's a clean E46 M3 right there. Very nice. And right-hand drive. We got the big body M6 Grand Coupe. And it's like the color on the GTS. Super nice. Look at that tint. What the? That's just crazy. We got the Z. Pretty clean. Yeah, look at the Alfa Romeo. That's clean. Oh my gosh. This guy's about to. Ooh. He was close. Just clean. Lime rock vibes. Oh, this guy's about to get stuck. Oh. 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 Oh my god, barely made it. Damn, check that out, guys. That's sick. What is this? We got the 458. Super clean. Got the Audi wagon. Which is hard. Oh shit. Clean E46 M3. Got the homie Mark. What's up, my boy? What's up? The homie Carl. Sheesh. What's up, birthday boy? What's cracking? Sheesh. We got the homie with the Lambo. That shit is so clean. What's up, bro?
I was trying to meet up with you guys over in
at the PQ.
Boy, yeah, you took out to San Clemente, so
that's just clean, bro. Oh my god, sickest Lambo ever. F90 M5, clean. Rich.
Like the K-Boys.
Rich.
Bro, give me a parking spot.
Huh?
Give me a parking spot.
Yeah, just park down the street.
Pulling up on me, or you go to the spot.
Clean E90 M3 right there. Which is nice. Just crazy. Sick ass Lambo. So he's got that Lambo and he's got this F90 M5. Got the big body S-Class. Sheesh. Yeah, it's just clean. We got the new Z4. Is Mark gonna get his car towed? Oh my god. He's gonna go in reverse and then go back. Mark was so scared. Look at Mark.
Oh, this is roughly what
That's a sick dog.
Oh, you're so
He probably gets a lot of attention, huh?
Hell yeah.
Big homie Kenny. Clean ass E30. Got that wide body. With the GTS. Rich. The big homie John. He got a parking ticket. Damn, that sucks. So sick.
No.
Photo shoot. The big homie John.
Hey, yo, my info's on there though, bro.
You got a ticket.
Make
25
sure you
bucks.
edit that shit out.
25 bucks. What is it for?
For his license. Yeah. Me and Brianna.
For plates. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.